Hello, today I want to talk about the problem is the missing value in poor cache event. I want to change this to add code to my website. If you install your tag manager in website, you need to do some things to fix this problem. Now I fix it, but now let me show you how to fix it. If you see, it's a base code Facebook. Okay, this is the code. You need to do it for all your pages in your website. Look, this is the number of the pixel number. You need to change this to your pixel number. And if you see, this is page view. Facebook track this like code, if you see, and need to change this to all pages. Okay, this is a now for all my website fire. How I can check if it's work? I need to go to my website and click here, and you see Facebook Pixel Helper extension. You see page view. Now I can see it's fire and it's event info. Okay, now we need to check about the view content in the page. If you see, now it's have three, and if you see view content, how I track it, the view content, I go to tag manager and I create Phoebe view content. It's the same code, but I change only this view content track and this page view products. Let's see what is page view track. You see, I create page URL, contains, and product. That I use the problem with the view content. Now this is okay, and I see this is track. Let me see. Now we need to check if I click gold with silver. I click add to cart. You see, add to cart. After I click this, let's see if Facebook track this, and let me check. Now it's a 5. What is the 5? You see, this is detected automatic from the Facebook, and this is what I created in the add to cart. Just the same, if I go here and see Node.ga Phoebe add to cart, you see it's the same. See, add to cart track, the same my pixel, and the triggering is the add to cart. Now I click the element. This I use the click class. How to I do it in my website? Maybe it's your website, it's not the same, but let me show you how to do it. I click here and inspect. If you see class submit single add to cart button, alt edit, but I don't use it. I use, let me search this, let me see, view cart, do class script. One moment, let me find this. No, I can't. Maybe I do it again. Can use this single add to cart button, alt edit. Let me see if it's the same. I don't use the edit, but I use the same. If you see single add to cart, so I click here and copy and faster. And it's very important to use the equals. You can't use contains, but it prefer equals. Click class, and now you see how this is fire. After that, I want to track about the purchase. Let me create one. I go to the cart after I added the product. And click process to the checkout. Now it's not, I don't use only page view. If you see here, I want to to go to the Facebook and tell them someone in my checkout. If you see, this is a new event. This is not as before. So how to create it? I go to tag manager and Phoebe, and if you see, I only change this, the same track, the same pixel number, and the checkout page URL. It's the same, use the URL, ends with checkout. It's very important to do ends, because if you have order a caveat or something like that after that, so it's the track 2. So use the ends with. I use the trigger. The trigger, if you see, it's the only change this and change the Phoebe, the number of the pixel. Okay, that's done. And the purchase, it's very not complicated, but need to only change something. If you see my code, it's the same pixel, and change this to purchase. Now the DLV value, you see, this is the value of the dynamic value. If you have someone buy from your website, you know, $4 and maybe $16, something like that. So I go to the Facebook and tell them I have a website sell another prices. So how I do it? So we need to go and I create some, you know, some stuff here, and let me do it. This is the coupon code. Let me fix it 1 second. Let me do something new, and maybe I can do a code, coupon code, to create a test order to show you how to fix it, how to do the dynamic. Let me create coupon code. Sorry for delay. Let me create the coupon. Now I added the coupon 46. Add coupon. No, it's very slowly. I don't know why. Copy 46.99. Let me add the coupon and make a test order. It's done. Yeah, it's done. 46 and apply coupon. I just create some content. It's not a. Now I read and place order. billing phone. Let me just, something. I don't. It's not important. Let me place order. Click place order. Why it's not work? Maybe it takes some time. Why it's not firework? Mm-hmm. 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 Need to work. Oh, now it's work. What the fuck? Sometimes it's a problem. If you see, I do it again. Add to cart. Checkout. Click here. It's not moving. Why it's not moving? Move, move, move! Slowly. Slowly, slowly. Okay, coupon added, software, and I have read. Place order. Let me do it. Now, if you can see, this is the 0. Okay, now we talk about the purchase. If you see Facebook, it's 4. Now it's a purchase. If you see value 0, 0 and currency USD. Okay, so how do I go to tell the Facebook now someone buy to my website to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 USD, something like that. So now I go to the tag manager. If you see DLV value, now I want to told you how to do it. You need to go to variables, DLV value. I just created. If you see, this is order data, totals and total. I use this for a lot of stuff. So how do I do it? So how my website track this? So we need to do, see, inspect. This is WooCommerce price amount. This is the total. See, I use the in my website the plugin. The name of the plugin is the name. Let me show you the code I added. So I do preview. I want to preview this. Google tag Carpel Jewelry starts. Now this is the website, and I click continue, and if you can see, it's have a data layer. This is what I use. You see in my tag manager in DLV value, you see all the data totals and total. What I do it. How can I know? But I need to track this page because let me do it fast. because I want to track this website is order archived. If you see, this is the data layer. You see totals, cart contents, totals, the totals, total. This because this, and after that total. Okay? So this tag manager order data, totals and total. I take it from here. Order data, totals and total. This is the value. That's I created and create tags. Go to the purchase and how do I create this? How I do it? I use this. I click something like that, and just this is all this is the e-commerce page type, e-commerce pocket, but I use the DLV value. Now the currency, all the currency in my website is USD. So this is how to fix all the problem. If you use the plugin to all the website, it's not good, because it's all the time the website, it's a plugin, to the fix the plugin problem all the time. So if you use the tag manager, it's very good. It's very important to use the tag manager if you want to track your performance. It's very important. So this is all what I do, and if you have more question, I am here to help. So register and comment. Thank you very much.